guy say, they say police checkpoint day. The guy come to help me panic. I say, why? He said, because I don't get, what do you call it, residence. Or I said, I don't need residence. I'm a tourist. I don't travel everywhere. The guy say, no, you don't understand how police be here. Nigeria, like I go to America, one guy can't take me out. Who can they drink? The guy say, no fit take anything. I said, this is no guy call. He say, if they perceive him, they go arrest him. Nigeria, now we they keep police one way to make. As they drive, I say, where are you coming from? Birthday. Say, you go just bring the two way men, take her. I was going to say, my chama. One stop me one day, say, can I know you? I just say, police won't collect money. I don't want to know how you popular rich. You give them. One ask me, can I know you? I say, my name is Acapella. He said, what do you do? I say, comedian. He asked me, what do they do? I say, comedian, as in I comed. He asked me, so where do you comed? I said, I comed everywhere. He said, you are joking with me, my friend. What do you do? I said, I'm a comedian. He asked me for the second time, and I asked you, what do they do? So problem not today. Now saying, we they sell bullets for police. He said, you must be mad. You think I don't know where we buy bullets? Think I don't know? It's not you. Now he can't look. He second call the tap and say, he be like, I know this guy. He be like, I know this guy. He be like, I know this guy. But because he won't collect the money, now he asked me, say, oh, you make people laugh? I say, yes. He said, I don't know you. At least I know Alibaba, I know Basketmouth, I know AY, I don't know you. I said, my brother, we have the same problem. I don't know you too. At least I know IG, I know Commissioner, I know DPO, I don't know you. Two of us need to hustle so that they go know us. One stopped me one day. I don't say to take police play no hard. He stopped me one day, I just speak what thing come my mind. He said, "Bah!" I just come down. As officer, I'm heading to the east to collect my MPs M2s. Fire! I know that they are checkpoint, you know they far from each other. As I pass down or reach the next one, I don't want to use the same excuse. Now I say, I'm an OAP. He said, you are what? I said, I'm an OAP. He said, carry go. Look now, they find. As I go, now the senior officer come out. Hey! Why you leave that man? He saw that now OAP. He said, what's me that? He said, no, but people will go senior DPO. So why they look at OAP, DPO, the senior. They are made, they go, look, they will be fine. And then, have you noticed that one day I was driving in Lagos, and you know, Lagos traffic is caused by, it's a natural disaster. You can't know what is causing it. Like, you go, you drive like 6 hours, but realize, say, everywhere you understand me, like if like breeze just dey board na block road because you know we see wetin cause am. So one day I was going for an event, I don late, I come carry bike. One officer flag me from far. I know say comedians and police we get small rapport. Now I shout esprit de corps. Now he do me like this, carry go. So the baba wey carry me shock. Baba say, my brigade, wetin you tell her? I say, baba, if police won't stop you, say esprit de corps, it will leave you. Baba say, I can't dey waste money saying. God will bless you. Tomorrow, Baba they come out. Police shout, stop! Baba they shout, now spirits they come, now spirits. Police say spirit when they see. Come on, clever my friend. Then our music. I grew up in a very Christian background. Then my mother sings gospel songs according to what she thinks they are saying, not what they are actually saying. So every time my mother does worship, I know the two join her. Because you know they glorify God. My mother, all of us know that song, Crucified. If my mother sing that song, if you join her, because once you don't sing, reach that place, you call here, hey, Lucifer. I said, not be Lucifer. Then there's one she sings that makes me laugh. We are the pillar that hold. I said, what me happen on a day? Trust me, we are. I know as children growing up, anything where your mother they do go turn your own stigma. So those days when we go children's school, as they play, one spoil something, as they won't beat you, the other teacher go look down and you know no, now pillar children. If you touch and your mama come on and this church go follow. And then you ever been to Abba? Abba is, I know Igbo people plenty here, no need to check them. Anywhere you go, Igbo man, no they go. Nothing that happen there. Abba is the only place in Nigeria where you can see your fake. As you go, somebody goes, my original, now we there. One guy one day, I was driving and I bought one day, I heard a very popular song. You can buy one song 3 times, you know go know. Popular song, they play Amazing Grace, how sweet. As I won't pay. From here I come begin here. Amazing Grace, how sweet that sound. I say make I pay. From here I come begin here. Amen, amen, amen. Amazing Grace. I say my sister, who sing this song? She said my brother, they are all amazing. Any way you like, buy. God will actually understand. And then they sing. And you know about everything they do is with family. Igbo people. Then by the way, I don't know why Igbo people, every of their name, if Chi no dey inside, if like they go die. Chi go either dey front or Chi go dey the back. All their names were Chinedu, Chinwendu, Chigoze, Chiamaka, Chimpanzee. No, sorry. Or they will carry the Chi come back. Ogechi, Nkechi, Ikechi. Some people carry the whole Chi. Then there's one they do now that makes me laugh. And if someone gives birth to a child, then they look the pikin shape now. If he get big head, into Guisi. He get big eye, Anyao. He get big mouth, Onowa. He get big jaw, Ejiofo. He get Kelechi. The pikin Wawa, Ojuku, you know. But once Yoruba enter that business, the market closed. Yoruba man and Bob pikin, if they look too much, he dey smile, he smile. He get rashes, Rashida. He fair, Femi. He tall, Tola. He short, Shola. He fat, Fatima. He slim, Slimatu. Big head, Oriade. Big guy, Aisha. Big nose, Nosiru. Big mouth, Masira. Big ear, Ireti. Big teeth, Titi. Big jaw, Joke. Big tummy, Tomiwa. Kele, Kemi. Bole, Kola. And the pikin, Odi, Olusegun. Then something I like about the Yorubas party, God. Yoruba man, how do I describe it? Yoruba man feel do party to celebrate the success of the last party. That's how they like party. Like on Saturday you do wedding because the wedding makes sense. On Sunday go still go invite you. Go say to now. Say you know that party will do Saturday. You enter one celebrator. That's how they like party. If you are not careful, Yoruba man can send you IV with takeaway. I don't go MC Yoruba wedding. If you see food, oh, I will take this. God. You see, like from this word to that white door, stretch. Only my mind. Then when you go Igbo man wedding, from that door to this place, only got the egg. Then Igbo people will come speak one nonsense. The kola nuts does not speak English. Who tell you? You speak English, you know answer you. And you know Igbo people. I don't know whether they do business here like that. Alaba, you know you can never walk into an Igbo man shop, may no buy something come out. Even if you no get up. Every Igbo man has a second shop. Just say, Oga, let's say they sent you to go and buy Eva water. Don't enter the shop. Oga, I won't buy Eva. As you no get it, I go bring up a second shop. You now you come with, you go second shop. As you reach second shop, that Eva water no day. That one when they bring up, you get a more. But if you sell them for you, you don't go believe them. You go come bring, let's say like invest water. Now ever water no deal. As him bring the water, you come say, okay, this water no be ever. He say, they still they drink ever. Ever no they red na what to you. Everybody now invest water then they drink now. Because the way he send you now, because you don't know this one. You now because you don't want to go come back. They'll come by invest water. As you reach out, because they say, which kind of nonsense is this? Don't be invest what I send you. As you go back, you go man, no they refund money. Once you tell us, say, okay, they say that if ever what I might bring, you go say, he did, but you go add some more money. He said that one day, but you go add some more money. People man know they ever get, you know, if you enter in shop, just like an Indian man. Indian man are the only person who will give you discount on anything. So long as you buy. I enter one Indian man shop for Bangkok. The man, I know there's a way they talk. Indian man, when they talk, they shake their head. So as I enter, the guy say, can I help you? I say, yes. I say, how much is that shoe? He said, this shoe is 90,000 for you. I give you 85. I said, okay, not bad. How much is the perfume? The perfume is 120 for you. I give you 110. I cost you one fine watch. How much is that wristwatch? The wristwatch is 40,000 for you, 36. I said, okay, I'm coming, let me get my card. As I go now, I don't come back. I said, sorry, please, what's the time? He said the time is 12 o'clock for you, 11:30. The kids are home by that one. And then finally, because of time. You ever know that you want to buy things here, like in Nigeria, when you go buy something, the person where they sell, will they behave like saying, I want to help you. Like Nigerians are so rude with customer service that when Nigerian man attend to you well, they use and brag. You can say, "Is I'm attend to you well now," as if now they help you. Abroad, they value any customer no matter what. I was in the UK. Anything we want by the Oku, please. Good morning, please. Can I help you, please? What can I do for you, please? When the woman won't give me change, she said, "This is your change. Thank you, please." That please me. I call him, I go try for Nigeria. As I enter the restaurant, now say, "Can I get a plate of rice, please?" And the guy say, bros, this is the way they cook, please. Hope you won't pay. Madam, no deal. There will not be say credit. This is please. No, I don't understand that more. You won't buy credit. I don't buy credit. Then finally, every Nigerian way there, you get one friend. No matter how, no matter the amount you buy anything, he will tell you say they cheat you. One of my guys, anything what I buy food. He said, "Capella, how much you buy?" I said 90,000. He said, "Mumu." I said, "Why?" He said, "This phone now 89.5." I said, "Now 500." He said, "They cheat you." I buy shoe. He said, "How much?" I said, 42,000. Laugh. 42,000. He be full. I buy shirt. He said, "How much?" I said, 18.5. He said, "I'm bulletproof." Oh, but they cheat you. So the thing don't tire me. I can't buy a laptop. I buy am 100,000. I can't use TPS, clean the last zero. It come with 10,000. As I keep the receipt on top table, nice yeah. It's so good now you come. But they buy nonsense, or they cheat you. Now you buy and well. I know say they crown where I buy. Next morning, now I count 10,000. Put here. Go 25 for Okada. Face Computer Village. Now I say when I get laptop, they say yes, bring them today. They bring the laptop. Some people don't get laptop. I don't know who they give them internet. He put internet, test them, everything work. Now it's here the carton. Now he won't pay. And poor man they count money. Though they count at 20. I don't know why they count and where will increase. He count and he say write receipt. They get right receipt. He count and. Now he give him 10,000. Before he pay, he ask the girl, "You have extra charger?" The girl say yes. He say how much? The girl say 12.5. All the things say charger go cost past the main laptop. He said, "Don't worry, I'll buy it somewhere else." As he give the girl 10,000, the girl ask him, "Sorry sir, is it for the carton?" My friend say, "You want to cheat me?" Something my friend bought here yesterday. 10,000, everybody know. As they argue, they don't call police. Police hold up 2 hours. Now he call me. Acapella, I said, "How far?" He said, "No, but that laptop, how much you buy it?" I said, "Now 100,000. Now God will punish you." Fast as they talk to you now at the police station. I go police station, I bail am. 2 weeks later, I go buy new fridge. As I carry the fridge, they climb step. Now he ask me, "You just buy am?" I say, "Yeah." He say, "How much?" I say, 120. He say, "You cheat them." This thing at 110. And then the rest of the service is
Please celebrate him.